Good Friday, everyone. I hope you've had a wonderful week and that you're ready for a great weekend ahead. I think Miss Charlotte Goodwin at USA Mortgage would be proud to say she sponsors the level of concern graphic today because my level of concern is at level 0. It's just looking like a pleasant summer day on the plateau, albeit a bit warm, but it's August, so we can expect that this time of the year. Looking at our daily weather map for today, we just have a dry, cold frontal boundary coming through today, which will reinforce some cooler and less humid air. So wait till you check out this 5-day forecast. Now, to the east of us, you've got the remnants of Debbie combining with frontal systems and whatnot to provide a very large outlook of flash flood potential from the coast of South Carolina all the way up to Maine. And you got a severe weather risk in there somewhere. You can see, if you look close, you can see it shaded in yellow. This morning, there are tornado watches for some big populated areas, including Washington, D.C. It ends just west of New York City. So lots of folks under tornado watches this morning from this combination of frontal boundaries and what's left of Tropical Storm Debbie. Farther to the west, you see another flash flood risk across the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas, stretching back to western Colorado. But other than that, a quiet day with the exception of the eastern portion of the U.S. and then that area right there around Colorado and New Mexico. Look at our 5-day forecast brought to us by Clearview Closet and Blind. Creative solutions by design. Friday, partly cloudy to mostly sunny, highs in the low 80s, so not too bad. It's a little humid again today, so you'll have to put up with that. But you're not going to have to put up with it tomorrow or Sunday. Folks, if you want to do something outside, this weekend is the chance to do it. We are really getting rewarded. Highs only around 80. Some of you all may not get out of the upper 70s. And overnight lows in the low to mid 50s. And here's the big headline, very low humidity. That is going to be quite nice. Enjoy it. It all comes back coming Monday and Tuesday. We start seeing the humidity tick back up. We start seeing a few more clouds. Temperatures start going back up a little bit. And by Tuesday, we're going to have to start looking out for some showers and thunderstorms. We're going to be in another pattern, it looks like, unless something changes. It looks like another pattern is evolving where in the Tuesday, Wednesday time frame at least, maybe even beyond that, we're in that northwest flow pattern. We have to watch out for those complexes of storms dropping in on us from Kentucky. So I'll keep an eye on that. That forecast may change. It's 5 days out. But just to let you know, it may be turning a little bit wetter than I had thought by the middle of next week. So we'll keep an eye on it. Premier Generators brings us our threat graphic. No severe weather expected Friday through Tuesday at this point, but I am monitoring Tuesday because, like I said, we may end up in that pattern again where we have to watch for complexes of storms dropping out of Kentucky, and those can always pack a punch. Looking at our tropics, 60% chance of this disturbance that the Hurricane Center is monitoring of making it into a tropical storm, maybe even something more as it moves westward, certainly heading in a concerning direction, just like several of the others have been. So something to keep an eye on over the next week. On this day in 1878, the second most deadly tornado in New England history struck Wallington, Connecticut, killing 34 people, injuring 100, and destroying 30 homes. Started as a water spout, and then it was 400 to 600 feet wide and had a short path length of only 2 miles. Interestingly enough, some of the same areas are under tornado watches this morning and probably on into today. You folks have a wonderful Friday and keep looking up. For more weather information, including your Friday Funny, meteorologistmark.com.